If I pluck off one of these needles, now that's one leaf. The number of needles in a cluster varies with different species of pines. I would say the most common numbers are 2 and 3 per cluster. These have 2. You'll also see pines that have 5, and then you'll see some that have just 1, or some that have 4. 1 and 4 are rare. 2 and 3, most common. 5, probably second most. This is what? Is this a male or female structure? Female. So it's a seed cone or a female cone or a megastrobilus. These flat things are the scales, or ovuliferous scales, and they bear the ovules, 2 per scale. So the ovules turn into seeds once they're pollinated and fertilized, and the seeds have fallen out. The pollen or male cones, they would be way up there. They're very small and papery. They fall apart. They release pollen, and that's it. So pollen would go from the pollen cone to the ovule, picked up on the pollination droplet. Pollen tube would grow. Eggs would be fertilized. You get an embryo, and then you get a nice seed out of that, right? Is this a sporophyte or a gametophyte? Sporophyte. Where are the gametophytes? Point to them. Where would they be? Here or up there? They'd be in those cones, right? They'd be in the pollen and the seed cones. The pollen cone, they'd be in the pollen grain. That'd be the male gametophyte, and the female would be the megagametophyte in the seed. So if you eat pine nuts, you're eating the megagametophyte and the embryo. Okay, let's go over here.